Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fashion Box. Here to talk stop for the latest trend and cool tips. I am today where we have something super exciting to share with you if you been look for a fresh and trending look. You're in the right place. Today we're diving into the Chic Pixie haircuts, a style that making the world buy. So get start. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumb up if you like what you see. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Alright, let's talk about the pixie haircut. This style is all about short, fun and easy to manage hair. It's perfect for anyone who want a chic look without too much facts. Pixie cuts come in style so you can choose the on that first you best. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. Your supporter helps us bring more awesome content like this. The classic pixie cut, this style is super short and easy to style. It's great if you want something that both stylish and low maintenance. You will notice it's cut close to the head with straight long layers on top. The, the pixie textural pixie cut, the one adds a bit of volume and movement to your hair. It's great for a playful and living look. You can use some textural spray or a bit of moisturizing to give your pixie cut a fun and bones waves. The pixie haircut is very unique and different hairstyling ideas. Let's talk about the edge pixie cut. The one features sharp, defined lines and angel give you a bold or and modern look. It's perfect if you want to make two separate style statement. Pair it with some bold makeup and you will be ready to rock and any event. Remember to subscribe for more cool style tips and give this video a thumb up if you're loving the edge look. Let's check out the pixie cut with bangs. Adding bangs can change up the entire waves of your pixie cut. You can go for long side bangs or short blend bangs. It's great way to formal your face and a touch of personality. The Missy Pixie cut is all about that carefree, light back look. It's perfect if you want a style the look that looks effortless, cool. Use a button of textural protects to get those toeless waves and you're good to go. The Pixie haircut, if you're a fan of the mixie look, hit that. The pixie haircut is very short and front and back hairs. The cheek pixie haircut is very unique look for face If you love the undercuts look, give us a thumb up and share this video with someone who might find it interesting. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Pixie cut just for straight hair. If you have curly hair, you can rock and pixie cut too. It's all about impressing those curl and making them part of your style. Just make sure to use the right products to keep your curl looking great. In Another cool twist is to add highlights to your pixie cut. Highlights can give your hair more deep and dimensions. You can go for soft, natural highlights or bold contents color depending on your style. If you think highlights will look great on a pixie cut, give this video a thumb up and share it with your friends. Talk about different hairstyling ideas for pixie haircut. The pixie haircut is very unique and beautiful hairstyling look. Different popular ideas and different trending ideas for this haircut, pixie haircut. The chick pixie haircut is very uniquely and pretty look for this face. And there you have is whether you're looking for some time classing age or just fun, the pixie cut is an amazing choosing. I hope you found some inspirations for your next haircuts. You side more different pixie haircuts. First up in our new set of stylish in the pixie cut with the sidebar. The look add a bit of unique and different hair look and can help from your face beautifully. Your face is very unique and very pretty look for these pixie haircuts. If you're loving the side part, give us a and first part of hair. The pixie haircut is very beautifully and nice. The asymmetrically pixie cut, this style feature on site longer than the other, creating a trending edge look. It's a bold choose that really straight out and give your pixie cut a unique twist. Enjoy this the asymmetrically look, hit that like button and share this video. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't missing out on more awesome hair ideas. Give us a thumb and different pixie hairstyle. The soft pixie cut is all about grandly flowing lines. It's less shortcut that other pixie style give you a soft, more feminine look. The cut work great for adding a natural, effortless feel to your hair. If the soft pixie cut if is your styling, make sure to like this video and share it with your friends and family. My channel Fashion Box, please subscribe and press the bell icon and like, share comments. Bye bye.